Fala pessoal do Vivi Minas Rio, muito bom dia a todos, tudo bem com vocês? Sejam todos bem-vindos aqui ao nosso canal. Estamos aqui na cidade de Perdões, Minas Gerais, e vamos ali pegar o trem vazio para vocês. Nós vamos aqui acompanhando um pouco dessa visão da cidade, antes da gente curvar aqui e ir ao encontro do trem. O trenzão vazio, o trenzão que tá bem bonito, né? Então agora, enquanto eu me dirijo para lá, vocês vão lá na sua casa e fazem o procedimento, né? Prepara o cafezinho, se acomoda aí onde estiver. Já sabe, né? Deixa o like no vídeo e vem com a gente. Bora que o vídeo hoje tá imperdível, um trenzão bem bonito. Já vou falar para vocês. Hoje, infelizmente, não temos o som do trem, mas nós vamos ouvir a bela musiquinha. E é isso aí. Espero que gostem do vídeo. Vem com a gente.
In the silence of the night, I hear your name, like a whisper through the shadows of the rain. Every echo pulls me closer to your flame, but you're gone, and I'm the only one to blame. I built a kingdom out of dreams we never lived, held your promise like a fire I couldn't give. I'm still waiting for love under a sky so wide, like a soldier lost with no place to hide. You were everything, the fire in my veins. Now I'm chasing ghosts and calling your name. I'm still waiting. Waiting for love. Photographs are fading, but the pain remains. Your perfume lingers like a storm inside my veins. I would trade forever just to see your face. One more touch, one last sweet embrace. I've screamed into the void, but no one ever hears. I've cried your name in silence through the years. I'm still waiting for love, like a prayer unspoken, like a vow that time has never broken. You were everything, the fire in my soul. Now the night is long and the world feels cold. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for love. Every sunrise burns with your memory. Every heartbeat bleeds with what it used to be. I would climb the stars, rewrite every line, just to hold you in this heart of mine. I'm still waiting for love, through the tears and pain, through the thunder, through the pouring rain. You were everything, the dream I still believe. We've been walking roads we'll never know. Every heartbeat like a steady drum, calling out for what we will become. And when the night begins to fade, we'll rise from every choice we made. No fear can break the vows we keep. Our souls awake from restless sleep. We stand unbroken. Every tear has carved a line of truth. Every wound has shaped